Hello my lovelies, I am back again with another delicious video. Today we're going to be making Coctel de Camarones or shrimp cocktail, Salvadorian style. So let's begin. We're going to start off by placing 2 pounds of clean, peeled, and deveined shrimp into a pot. Then we're going to fill it up with water, and we're going to cook these for roughly 3 minutes, just until they turn a reddish orange color, which means that they're done. Once the shrimp is cooked, we're going to place that aside, and now we're going to chop up some onions. You could use any colored onions you'd like. We're now going to place both our onions and our cooked shrimp in a glass jar. We're going to layer them. Next, we're going to pour in 1 cup of the water that we used to cook our shrimp into the jar. Now we're going to use 1 cup of our tomato cocktail clamato, which is very delicious. It has some clam juice, spices, red chili peppers, vinegar, tomato, and it's going to give it a kick. Next up, I'm going to add the juice of 4 naranjillas or the juice of 4 mandarin limes. Next, we're going to add in half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to give it some kick by adding a few shots of hot sauce. Following that up with 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And last but not least, our final ingredient, a teaspoon and a half of salt. Finally, we're going to mix this all together and we're going to place it in the refrigerator for a good 24 hours. If you need a little bit more salt, a little bit more kick, then this is the time to add it. And voila, there you have it, our delicious shrimp cocktail. It has a nice tangy taste due to the mandarin lime. You could have this with crackers, you could have it with bread. The more you let it marinate, the better. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe and I'll be back with more delicious recipes from my home to yours. Bye-bye.